Should we use right-of-way in HEMA? The answer is no, but I'm going to tell you why. Right-of-way is a rule that is used with the weapon of the foil in sport and Olympic fencing. What it means is that if I initiate an attack first, you have to parry my strike to some degree before you can strike me if you want to get a point. That means that if I throw a strike and you do nothing to parry it, and we get hit at the same time, I get the point because you did not acknowledge my right-of-way for starting the attack first. There has been a lot of talk, and there will be a lot of talk, about whether historical European martial arts is actually a martial art or really a sport. But I think most of us can agree that we are trying to practice a true martial art. So because of that, right-of-way kind of poses a problem for us. Because in the context of a real duel or a battle, if you're fighting with sharp swords and you both get hit, you both lose. It doesn't matter if I started an attack first, and it doesn't matter if you ignored my attack entirely. If I don't cover myself and we both get hit, then we both lose. That's not to say that there's no value in right-of-way, because it teaches a very fundamental aspect of sword fighting, which is that if someone throws an attack at you, defend yourself. You need to prioritize defending yourself, not just hitting your opponent. But as a rule, implementing it in HEMA, in tournaments, or even in our own normal sparring, it brings us farther away from a martial art and closer to a sport, which I think for most of us is not what we're going for. However, tell me why you disagree or why you agree. Thank you.